Hello, welcome to the second lesson in Unit 15 Geometry. This is lesson G8-43, Side Views. It's a continuation of the last lesson, which was on top and front views. So we're moving on with the same sort of drawings of shapes, three-dimensional shapes, and this is found on page 184 of your Jump Math workbook. This is also one that you'll have to do in the workbook because of the grid paper that's attached. Let's check out the gray box at the top here. This gives us the key idea. The thick line in the left side view shows that one cube is closer to the eye than the others. So if I was looking from the left side, like this eye here, I would see that this cube is closer to me than the other two. If I was looking from the right-hand side, I would see that there are two cubes that are close to me, and I wouldn't be able to see this one at all. So in question number 1, it says, shade the right faces of the cubes, then draw the right side view of the structure. The front side will be on your left of your drawing. And they've got the example here. In this one here, we've got this shape made out of 5 different cubes. If I were to rotate it, then these ones here would be the ones that are closest to my eye. And so I would draw it out like they have down here, and the front is right there. Let's try the same thing with B. If I'm looking at the right-hand side view, I'm only going to see these 2 cubes here. When I draw it out, I've got 2 cubes that are equally close to me, and the front is going to be right here. Go ahead, try the same thing for C and D. So pause this video and come back when you've done those 2. All right, number 2 says, which picture is the right side view of the structure at right? Circle it. So they're saying this is the front, this is the right side. If I were to rotate it so I was looking from the right side, which one would I see? Okay, and they want you to choose one of those. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and then explain why you chose it. Go ahead and do that one now. Number 3. Shade the right faces of the cube and draw the right side view. Add thick lines to show layers. So just like in question 1, we're doing the right-hand side. In the example here, they've shaded in. These are the ones I would see from the right-hand side. Notice, though, that these 2 are closer to my eye, so there's going to be a thick line to separate it from the third one. If I was taking a look at B, the ones that I would see would be this one and then these ones. So when I drew my shape there, it would be 3 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And when I took a look to see which one was closest to my eye, this bottom one here is going to be closest. So I've got to put my thick line. And that one's sticking out towards me. Go ahead and do question C and question D on your own. So pause the video and then come back when you're finished that. Let's check out this gray box here. In this picture, both shaded faces can be seen throughout, or can be thought to be front faces. So if I take a look at this one here, this could be the front or this could be the front, right? So if this is the front, then this is the right side. Or if this side is considered to be the front, right here, then this side becomes the left side. Whoa, zoomed in too far. Okay, let's scroll on. Number 4 says, shade the front faces. And they've done this in 4A for you. They shaded in the front faces. Okay, and they've chosen this side to be the front, and then they said draw the front view. Okay, so here's the front, and this is what it would look like. I'd have 2, then 3, that's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertical. That makes that stretch there. And then, of course, they've drawn the dark lines to show which ones are closest. Okay, so I've got the thick lines here to show that this is the closest, And then I also have a thick line here to show that these ones are closer than the ones on the back. If I take a look at this shape here, I'm going to shade in what's in the left faces. So that's the left faces. And I'd also see this one as a left face. When I draw that shape, it's going to be 3 high and 2 across. So there's 3 high and 2 across. It's going to look like this, like an L shape. And I'm going to put a thick line here because the 3 in the front, or the 3 that are here, are going to appear closer to me than the one that's here. Okay? Go ahead and pause the video and do question C on your own. Question 5. Which of these pictures shows the left side view, front view, and top view of the structure? So they've given me 3 different views here. All of these are matching to this shape here, but I have to decide which is left, front, and top, and then I just label them here. Go ahead and do number 5 on your own. Number 6 will be the last question that we're going to do. Number 6 says, draw the front, top, and labeled side views for the structure. So you're either going to do the top, front, and right side, or top, front. Oh yeah, these A and B are both front side. Okay, so I'll get you to do just A and B in this one. Actually, A is done for you. It's just B. That's the only one you have to do. The top view, the front view, and the right side view. We are going to skip C, D, and E because we don't have, I can't guarantee that you've got the grid paper you need. So skip those, and we're going to skip number 7 as well. And that's the lesson.